Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring basic prerequisites are done so diagnostics give useful results. First, make sure Windows 11 is updated and reboot both your PC and router. This clears transient issues. Once done, disconnect other devices to reduce interference and open settings, then network and internet, then status to run the built-in troubleshooter. The tool detects driver, IP, and service problems automatically. Follow its suggested fixes, because they often resolve simple misconfigurations without deeper changes. Next, you focus on drivers and adapter behavior, where many disconnects originate. Open Device Manager, find your Wi-Fi adapter, and choose Update Driver. If an update caused instability, use Rollback instead. Then check adapter properties for power management and disable any setting that allows the PC to turn off the device to save power. This prevents sleep-related drops. Finally, go to Advanced Network Settings and perform a network reset when persistent corruption exists. This reinstalls adapters and clears misconfigured profiles. For final steps, tune the network side and fall back to diagnostics if needed. Access your router and change the Wi-Fi channel or prefer 5 GHz to reduce interference. This improves stability for crowded environments. In Windows, set a reliable public DNS like 1.1.1 in the IP4 adapter properties to avoid resolution timeouts. If disconnects persist, collect Event Viewer and WLAN logs. Then test in safe mode with networking to isolate third-party software. If nothing helps, contact device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.